And welcome everybody in MTLP stock on 26 November. So let's start step by step with easy price prediction. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and let's go for the easy way. So I think it is going to be very important for everybody who started with the stock, and it's going to be very serious about what we want to make an additional to that. So I think it is going to be returning back for what we want here. Okay, this circle and this circle. Okay, and this is going to be about the movement of this MTLP from this circle to the next one, and this is very very serious thing that we want to happen on 26 November. So since we see that this is going to be to make another thing, it's going to be this increase in momentum, and this will give us an extension for what we want. Okay, and MMTLP will remain on 1 day update as a huge increase in momentum for a lot of value. Okay, is that what we think about the price prediction used today?